They said the land is beautiful. It is filled with plenty of food. Here is its food. He must be your dad. What does he do? He's a teacher. The complex was built. The complex was built last year. The bank was left last Sunday. The jewelry shop was left last Sunday. The museum was left last Sunday. The apartment was built last year. The bridge was built last year. The complex was built last year. The back door was painted yesterday. The barn was painted yesterday. The fence was painted yesterday. He was injured during the war. He was injured during the training. He was injured during the game.